The new Online Business Case Creator, also called the OBCC, is a tool that will guide you through a three-step process to analyze your project and help you make your best recommendations about whether a project should move forward. In the first tutorial, I showed you how to use the OBCC to assess your project. In this tutorial, the second in the series, I will demonstrate how to quickly create and print one of three possible scorecards summarizing your answers to the OBCC Worksheet 1, Assess Your Project. As always, log in and then choose a plan. Once the plan is selected, look for the brown menu on the left-hand side of the page. This is where you will find the OBCC worksheets. Here we are at the Step 1 worksheet. In Tutorial 1, we answered the assessment questions relating to the project evidence base. Now, to see where you stand with your project, go to the Output menu. The Output menu always appears on the upper right-hand side of each worksheet. Select Choose which worksheet I want to print. An Output menu will appear. This menu includes all of your output options for the OBCC. You will recognize these choices by their brown color. Notice that the output options for the other parts of OHPP 2.0 are also displayed: the program planning steps and the project management tools. These work in exactly the same way. The output options for OBCC are clustered by step. Notice that there are three output options for OBCC Step 1 Assess Project. These are scorecards. They all organize and summarize your answers to the Step 1 worksheet, but in different ways. You can pick the one that is most useful to you. To illustrate, I will first select Output 1.1. This is called Project Strength and Limitation Assessment Responses. This is the simplest of the scorecards. Let's try it. Check the appropriate box and click on the Generate Outputs button. A window will appear asking whether you prefer to open or save the document. I will choose Open. When you do this, your scorecard will open in Word. This simple scorecard lists the questions from Worksheet 1 down the column on the far left. Middle columns sort your answers into star or strengths, flags or limitations, and in the middle, no impact. An X will appear beside the answer you chose. Notice that because we did not answer the project design bundle of questions on Worksheet 1, this part of the scorecard is blank. But if we scroll down to the evidence-based section that we did answer, you will see X's appearing next to the answer that you chose. You will also see a tally of your stars and flags at the bottom of this section. This is a nicely designed output that shows a snapshot of your project. It is a great visual and discussion tool, particularly for group planning situations. Let's have a look at another scorecard. Output 1.2 is called a Strength and Limitation Scorecard for the 6 project elements. Check the box, click Generate Outputs, and click OK to open the file. Here you see your answers again, this time organized a little differently. Now, strengths and limitations are sorted into rows, and there is a column for each bundle that you worked on. Answers only appear for bundles that you did work on. And finally, here is a look at Output 1.3, Project Impact Preview. Check the box, Generate Outputs, click OK to open the file. This is similar to Output 1.2 that we just looked at, but now it is sliced a little finer, this time showing in the far left column the impact areas that your strengths and limitations may affect. So you have a choice between these three outputs for Worksheet 1. Choose one that suits your purpose and create it in a matter of seconds. These scorecards can be saved to your hard drive and modified in any way you wish using Microsoft Word or another word processor. In the next tutorial, I will discuss how the OBCC uses your answers to Worksheet 1 to make suggestions about what risks and benefits you may be facing. Don't forget, you can contact us at any time for further advice related to using the OBCC.